what I'm going to talk about is what I would like the future to be and why I'd like the future to be like that. And it alludes to a few comments made in the last talk. I work at the UCL Center for Blockchain Technologies. I'm a doctor, and I work for the IOTA Foundation, which is a distributed ledger technology set up in Berlin. So we'll set a baseline because it's quite a wide audience, and I just want to know what kind of experience you have. So how many of you have heard of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency? So that's good. So when I got asked to do this talk about 6 months ago, it'd be a lot less. So I wasn't sure what I was going to say. This is good. How many of you actually own any cryptocurrency? Okay, that's good, more than I was expecting. So does everyone understand what a blockchain is? Cool. Well, we'll touch on that later, but in essence, it's the underlying technology behind it. And we'll talk about what it is and why we use it. And then distributed ledgers, have you come across that term before? How many? Cool. And in essence, that's a superset of blockchain, and a blockchain is a type of distributed ledger. And they have certain things in common, but in essence, if I say distributed ledgers from now on, you'll think blockchain. But I'm going to talk about a couple of new ones which go beyond what blockchain can do at the minute.